Welcome to StockBasket. Predicting how the stock market will perform is one of the most challenging things to do. There are so many factors involved in the prediction. We can divide these factors into physical and psychological factors, rational and irrational behavior, and much more. All these aspects combine to make share prices volatile and are very difficult to predict with a high degree of accuracy. As a computer science student, my first thought was, can machine learning be used as a game changer in this domain? Using features like latest announcements about an organization, their quarterly revenue results, and other machine learning techniques have the potential to unearth patterns and insights we did not see before. These can therefore be used for accurate predictions. We at StockBasket work with the past 15 days of news, sentiments, and analyze them about the stock prices of any and every publicly listed company. We have implemented a mix of machine learning algorithms to predict the future stock price of the company, starting with simple algorithms like averaging and linear regression, and then moving on to the advanced techniques like the random forest to predict the stock for next 5 days as accurate as possible.
The working of StockBasket. First, we have prepared a model for sentiment analysis of news. This model was trained on DGI data and news data. This data set consists of 25 top news headlines along with its label and date. This data set will be converted into TF-IDF vector to send into model. Then we have applied 4 algorithms: logistic classification, neighbors classification, random forest classification, and LSTM classification model. Then best accuracy achieved was in the case of LSTM model, which was about 63%. Then we have saved this model as JSON file and its weights as H5 file format. Then we are predicting the polarity of news for last 15 days. Then we have been fetching the data of stock from Yahoo Finance. Then we are adding the polarity which was previously predicted to this data as a feature, and then we have applied 3 algorithms for future prediction of stock closing price. The 3 algorithms were linear regression, decision tree algorithm, random forest regression, and the best prediction we could get was through random forest.
So here I am presenting the application that is being hosted in Heroku, and this application predicts the trend of the stock for the next 4 days and the current day, and you can predict the closing price and the volume prediction based on the sentiments that are retrieved from the news. So suppose I selected the Reliance Industry Limited, and I am doing for the close price prediction. So as you can see that the line graph for the closing price has been plotted for November 5 to November 11. Then we can see the trending news that we had used to find the sentiments for that company, and you can go to that news directly by clicking this button. We had also done the word cloud for the news, so basically you can see the whole picture of that company for the particular day. Then we had also given option to see the past statistics about that company. So if I go and select stock code data, it will give the general statistics about like what is its short name, long name, exchange time zone name, everything. So if I have to validate, like if I'm getting the results right or some kind of accuracy, I will try to predict this on the past data set, that is 5 days in past with the same company, Reliance Limited. So now as you can see that our model is able to predict the trend as well as some some kind of accuracy with the closing points, and similarly you can do with the volume prediction. So based on this curated list of the industries of National Stock Exchange, you can try first to validate the industry, and if you are getting some sort of good accuracy, then you can apply this to predict the future trend and the closing price, and as well as the number of stocks traded by the volume. That's it. Thank you.
We were able to apply various machine learning techniques for news sentiment analysis and stock prediction, but we need to learn how to create our data set for solving an utterly new problem where we need to start from the beginning by creating our own data set. We need to work more in this area to explore more possibilities and face new challenges to know more about the algorithms. Also, we need to learn how to create a suitable model for a specific problem. Limitations and future enhancements of our project. Since we were not able to get a proper data set of the news regarding the stock, we need to create our own data set which must be properly labeled, like whether the news was giving rise in the stock or giving a fall in the stock's value. We were not able to try complex machine learning algorithms, hence we need to work on these skills.